Check the name of each part of the product. Connect the compressor with the machine. Plug the machine and turn on the power switch. Choose manual or interlocking mode and press the operation switch. It is manual mode. Place a fruit with the stalk upward at the center of the basket. Step on the pedal to move the fruit for pitting. It is interlocking mode. Place a fruit on a basket, which will be moved automatically for pitting. The moving speed can be controlled. The quantity of operation will be shown on the counter's monitor. The fruit's flesh and seed will be taken out separately through each conveyor transfer device. After the end of the operation, turn off the power switch. When water gathers in the regulator, loosen the nut to remove the water. In the event of a dangerous situation, press the emergency switch to stop the machine. Do not forget, place a fruit with the stalk upward at the center of the basket for pitting. Please be sure to check the notice. Unplug the machine when not in use and before cleaning it. Operate the machine by being mindful of blades. When not in use for a long time, disassemble the machine to store. Be sure not to put your hand in the safety door during the operation of the machine. Do not put a hand inside the conveyor. Your hand can get caught in the machine. Do not clean it by spraying water. It can cause a problem with the electrical device and an electric shock accident. After removing foreign substances from the blades with wet cloth, clean them with dry cloth. Do not use the machine for purposes other than its designed usage. It must not be used by those who have insufficient physical sensation, experience, and intelligence without the direction of a manager and/or a supervisor. We are not responsible for any injury or property damage caused by the user's carelessness.